Hello friends, welcome to OTICA Healthcare Private Limited. Today we have unboxed this OTICA Sitz Bath setup, and the company is providing with this reusable Sitz Bath. You can see the quality, the build quality, the strength, and the material is quite sturdy. You can see company has provided compared to all other companies, OTICA is providing two set of shower points, where other companies are providing only one shower point. It comes with a bulb, with a tube, and with the shower point, and you have to remove this, and you can insert the tube from the back side or from the front side. It depends upon how you are comfortable or how your toilet types are. The main benefit of OTICA is you can put this shower point, and this is the additional shower point. You can keep it in a safe condition. You can reuse when you will get damage or anything wrong with this shower point. You have to attach this tube with the shower point, and you can put it anywhere in the bathtub. So this is Sitz bathtub. You can see you can put it anywhere. Suppose we have kept it here. You can set the position of your vagina or of your anus wherever you want to use. Now the device is ready to use. We are providing the longest tube in the industry. Everyone is providing the 0.75 meter, while we are providing 1 meter of tube. And now we are going to demonstrate tube with the water pouring in it. You can see we are providing the water inside. Make sure the water is dipping the point of shower, and we need some more water, so we are going to put some more water inside. Make sure you are dipping the shower point, and then you can start using it. You can see the shower is working properly, and you have to push it. We have given the proper quality of this bulb, which is reusable and can be used up to multiple thousands of times. And the tube is of ultimately a TPE quality, and the product is PE, so this is unbreakable material and comfortable and suitable with most of the types of toilets available in the market. Thank you.